Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into super tricky SAT math prediction question. This one is a hardest trigonometric problem that most students get wrong, but don't worry, I will break it down step by step so you can solve questions like this in seconds on test today. So let's go into it. Basically the question says which expression represents the length of the line segment EF. So we need to know the length of the line segment EF. So I'm going to call that X for right now. So now you can tell from all the answer choices that the reference angle they are using is that 75 degree, right? 75-degree angle. So this means we are going from this angle, right? From this angle right here. Yeah, so 75 degree is our reference angle. So to solve this question just easily, so we have adjacent and the hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse mean, which is cosine, right? Cos. So cos 75 degree is equals to our adjacent is 9, right? Then over x. So I multiply both by x to cancel here. Then cos 75 x is equals to 9. Then to solve for x, which is for line segment EF, which is 9 over cos 75 degree is our line segment of EF. So yeah, so line segment of EF is 9 over cos 75 degree. So our correct answer is B. So, and that's how you solve one of the hardest trigonometric questions predicted for the upcoming SAT. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment your score goal below. So I will pick one comment to the future in the next video. See you in the next SAT challenge. Peace out.